Initially, at that moment, 1857, I would call it as maybe probably the point where the switch happens when the first Indian freedom fight happens. Then they realize two things. That one is, if Indians are united, then it is very difficult to govern them. And then when they start seeing the freedom struggle also, then they say that we have to divide the people here. How do we divide? We divide them based on religion. We divide them, the Hindu society, based on caste. And then they start coming into a thinking that caste by nature is against national unity. So we should actually start encouraging the different ways of fracturing the Indian society. And how do they do that? They have to find an enemy within.
And who's the enemy?
The Brahmins. They actually came from the view of the priests. Right? That these are the false priests. And second thing what happened was they also found that many of the Brahmanas were also resisting, because I think it is the James Caird is the collector of the Tanjore. I think he wrote one of the things. There is no other community except Brahmin which is so much against the British rule. He is a collector of them. He is writing. So they found that many of the freedom movement people, like every community participated, right? But somehow for the British, they kind of picked up this community and then said, I think we are going to go and target them.
Watch the full episode on Just Curious India's YouTube channel.